welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is another Christmas makeup look. So I am creating this look in this video. If you want to see how I did this, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So this is the finished look. I was going for something very Christmassy, very colourful and very over the top. My last makeup video for Christmas that I did was something that was more wearable as an everyday look. This is something if you want to really go over the top. So this is what it looks like. So I have lots of candy canes and then little specks of like glitter, which can resemble like baubles. So I haven't forgotten, today is day number 5 in the advent calendar. So it is the 9th of December today. So let's go and check out what's in today's little goodie. Okay, so this is what number 5 looked like. It was a very heavy rectangle. So I think it's some sort of makeup. I was thinking maybe a palette or something like that. So let's have a look and see what's in this one. Okay, it's a palette by Nude by Nature. It's a contour palette. Ooh, I don't actually have any contour palettes. I've only got bronzers. So this is interesting. Open them up. Got a contour, a bronze, and a highlight. I love their packaging. How pretty is that? Sorry for blinding you, but it's really pretty. Open it up. Stunning. So this is what the palette looks like. Just cover that up for you. So it's really pretty. I'm very excited to try this. So make sure you keep watching. I will be doing a full face using all the products that I get in my advent calendar on the 23rd of December. So that is super exciting. I can't wait to play with it all. So I grabbed number 6 as well, so I could show you what it looks like. So this one here, it feels like there's 2 products in there, and I think that sort of has given it away a little bit. It feels like a pencil and then a square box. So I have a feeling this might be a lip pencil and a lipstick, or even like a lip balm or a lip gloss or something. But I mean, it could be anything. It could be just a standard like pencil in there. So this is what it looks like, but what do you guys think is in this one? So we open this one up in 2 days time, so I'm super excited. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change your notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!